people of Maharashtra, they are very fond of pilgrimage. We all of us we go to Pandharpur. I am to Pandharpur. So this Vari Yatra, we are always doing a promotion of body donation, where all the Varkaris are there and they are going to be lean on Vithala. So we tell them that we please donate your bodies for the noble cause. Body donation is the biggest dhamma, which will help us achieve our goals.
राइट मैम, यही वाली बात जो है आपकी, जो आप परकरी को बोलते हैं, वो मराठी में जैसे आप एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, आप हमारे दर्शकों को वैसे भी बताएं ना.
देहदान हे सगळ्यात श्रेष्ठ दान आहे आणि देहदानामुळे तुम्ही तुमच्या मरणानंतर पण अमर राहणार आहात, अजून विठोबाच्या चरणी जाणार आहात आणि तुमची भक्ती याच्यामुळे पूर्ण सफळ संपूर्ण होणार आहे.
वाह. Good morning viewers, and today we are so blessed that we have a very senior professor of anatomy, Manisha Nakhate madam, with us on our platform of MediChit Chat. तो मैम, आई एम श्योर कि आपने वो वीडियो देखा होगा अपनी मीना मैडम का ऑर्गन डोनेशन पे. तो उसमें उन्होंने एक सेगमेंट में बात किया था बॉडी डोनेशन के बारे में. एंड सिंस यू आर सो सीनियर इन एनाटमी एंड यू आर ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ बॉडी डोनेशन कमिटी, आई थॉट इट वुड बी जस्ट राइट इफ यू कुड गाइड अस अबाउट बॉडी डोनेशन इफ समबडी इज वांटिंग टू. हम वो सब बातें करें, उसके पहले आई वांट यू टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
I am Dr. Manisha Nakhate. I am working as a professor and head in the Department of Anatomy of a medical college. I am an ENT specialist as well. So I have 15 years of teaching experience in anatomy, and in addition to that, I have 10 years clinical experience.
Wow.
I have worked in Fiji Islands with the Ministry of Health, and at present I am totally into teaching profession of anatomy.
And a very good teacher, ma'am. So, ma'am, coming to our topic for today, which was body donation. तो इसके बारे में हमारे दर्शकों को ज़रा डिटेल में बताएं कि ये क्या होता है और कौन कर सकता है.
Yes.
और सबसे पहले क्यों करना चाहिए.
Yes. In Indian mythology, we try to donate something. कोई बोलता है रक्तदान इज द श्रेष्ठ दान, कोई बोलता है कन्यादान इज श्रेष्ठ दान. बट if you ask me as an anatomist also and as a person, as a humanity also, body donation is the best donation according to me, because that is the only thing, our body is the only thing which belongs to us, and we have all the rights that what we have to do after that. So after death, if we are contributing to our society in medical research or education, so our body is useful for such a noble cause. So I think body donation is the best donation according to me. Now, who can donate the bodies? Any person who is above 18 can think of donating his body. Okay. Now, earlier, all the anatomists or medical students, they have faced difficulties, because to teach medical student, you need to know the structure of body, where which thing lies.
Correct.
What can be abnormal in particular thing. So that will not be visible unless you dissect the bodies.
Right.
So earlier anatomists, they have done murders, or they have done dissection secretly in the graveyard. And looking at these difficulties, what the earlier anatomists faced, the Anatomy Act was formed, and which allowed us or medical students to dissect the bodies, like unclaimed bodies we could procure.
Right.
Because this Anatomy Act was formed. Anatomy Act was designed in 1832 in UK.
Okay.
And it was implemented earlier in 1831 in USA.
Okay.
So because of this act, we could hire the unclaimed bodies in the medical colleges without if there is a stipulated period, that within this period, if nobody comes to pick up the body, then that body can be used for the dissection.
Okay.
And dissection of medical body is very important for medical students.
Okay.
Nowadays, if you see, we have mannequins, we have books, we have videos, we have animations,
Correct.
we have virtual dissection. But these are the aids.
Right.
These cannot replace
Replace.
human body.
Absolutely.
And human body, let me specify, after death it is called as cadaver. So cadaver is the best teacher for students. So in the dissection hall is a place where the dead is teaching human,
Wow.
dead is teaching live.
Right.
So these bodies or cadavers mean a lot for us. So after our death, when we donate our body, it will be used for medical education and research. Also, it will be a guideline to the upcoming surgeons like neurosurgery,
Right.
spine surgery, ENT surgery, where or orthopedicians.
Correct.
They can do workshops on these bodies.
Yes.
They give hands-on training to their residents.
Right.
And the residents are able to perform the surgeries with a confidence when they perform on the patients.
करेक्ट आजकल तो मैम बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स भी कैडेवरिक वर्कशॉप इज द मोस्ट advanced kind of training which people do na matlab they are actually using C-arms in
Yes.
cadaver.
Yes,
So it
yes.
is again learning and that level of research which again helps the human mankind only.
Yes.
Right.
Even pain management
Pain
people,
management, right.
they are using ultrasound and then they are practicing various blocks on these bodies.
Right.
So actually when they work on the patient, they are confident, they are precise,
Right.
and they are aware about what difficulties can come when they are actually on the field.
राइट एंड देयर मस्ट बी लॉट ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट क्योंकि जहाँ पे इतनी बॉडीज़ या कैडेवर्स अवेलेबल ही नहीं है फिर वो दे फाइंड आउट अ मेडिकल कॉलेज जहाँ पे ऑल दीज फैसिलिटीज़ आर देयर मतलब नॉट दैट ऑल द एनाटमी departments must be so well equipped ki they can provide so many cadavers or the bodies.
Yes, you are right.
Constraint तो होता
Yes.
ही है.
This body donation awareness, this program has to be run on a larger scale,
Right.
on media, because as you go to periphery, there is scarcity of body.
Correct.
It is scarcity is there everywhere.
Everywhere.
All over the world, we are facing the shortage of bodies. But in India also, if you go to the peripheral part, you will see that there is a scarcity of bodies, and if we create a awareness about donation of bodies, then definitely that will reduce the constraint of the medical students.
Right.
Because the more and more cadavers they get, more and more good education or hands-on experience they will achieve
Yes.
while they are undergraduate or postgraduate
Correct.
students.
Agree.
So as I told you, any person above 18 can donate the body, and any medical college, any department of anatomy of any medical college, we are making the body donation forms available for everyone in the department of anatomy.
अच्छा.
So dean of a college will be the member of that committee. Head of the anatomy department will be member of body donation cell, and also social workers are included in this. So social workers will guide the community or any person who is interested in donating the body. We have created a pan India directory. So region wise, which according to your region, you will get to know the various organizations.
Who can help
Non-government
you.
organizations who are having social workers who will guide you, like which medical college you should approach, and
Right.
whether suppose the death occurs after 4 p.m. what should be done, what are the requirements,
Correct.
where the forms will be available. So when you fill the forms, what are the requirements?
Right.
Everything will be guided by the social worker.
मैम मेरा एक कंसर्न था कि इफ़ देर इज़ सम पर्सन हु इज़ डाइड एट होम एंड उनके रिलेटिव्स ऑल्दो इट वाज नॉट हिज विश
Yes.
टू डोनेट द बॉडी बट से इफ देर इज समबडी इन द फैमिली हु स्ट्रांगली बिलीव्स दैट द बॉडी शुड बी डोनेटेड
Yes.
इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर द रिलेटिव्स टू टेक सच डिसीजंस दैट दे कैन गिव देयर loved ones bodies?
Yes, definitely. They can donate the bodies. Now, suppose person has not actually filled up the pledge,
Correct.
but he has sometime mentioned to his son or daughter, and then son or daughter wants to donate the body.
Correct.
He should be next of the kin. That is the requirement.
Okay.
Secondly, even if he hasn't mentioned, but as you said, son wants to donate the body. Yes, he can. We just ask them to prepare a affidavit,
Okay.
which has to be signed by the two near relatives, We should have the death certificate.
Okay.
The cause of death should be natural. It should not be unnatural.
Agreed.
So these are certain things. We verify those things and then we accept the body.
मैम एक और कंसर्न था कि हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेथ ऑफ about 18 years. Is there any thing where see if a kid is not there, जो unclaimed body है जो 18 years से कम की है, तो क्या वो bodies भी कभी डोनेशन के लिए आते हैं?
No.
Normally
below
adult.
18 it is not a voluntary donation.
Okay. नहीं मतलब ऐसे unclaimed bodies हों अगर तो is it मतलब adult होना body का ज़रूरी है?
Yes. See, we are accepting fetuses.
Okay.
We are accepting fetuses in our
Right.
department.
That's how this question came to me.
As a
कि what-
gynecologist,
as a
you must have
gynecologist,
faith.
yes.
So we have collaboration with the OBGY department.
Okay.
And we procure the fetuses in case there is a miscarriage.
Right.
Or there are so many incidences
Right.
where they have to, because of the congenital anomalies or so many other things,
reasons.
they may have to abort the babies.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, we are accepting the babies if the parents are consenting.
Okay. So with the parents' consent, absolute newborns or the abortuses
Yes,
are
yes.
accepted.
Okay.
Right.
Nowadays, the concept of fetal autopsy is also coming.
Right.
So fetal autopsy is very much necessary. But at present, what I will tell you, at my level, we are accepting fetuses and we are using it for research purpose. Like
Yes.
we will see the development of organ at particular gestational age. So it is not a waste.
Right.
Whatever it is, whether it is an abortion or whether it is a voluntary donation.
Right. Right.
It is used for the education and research of the medical community.
And it has been over so many years. The anatomists have continuously researched, and the knowledge which we have today is generation after generation.
Yes.
So it's something like so basic. They say if your anatomy is good, at least the base or the building blocks of your
Yes.
medicine career is solid. So
Yes. So we should never forget our base. So base comes is our body,
Right.
and there is a wider horizon on that we have a will to donate our
Agreed.
body. So for betterment of society, on our level, we are giving a thing which is totally belongs to us.
Correct.
So this donation is very very important, and the awareness, I think we should work for the awareness of this.
बिकॉज
body
मैम क्या
donation.
होता है अपने हिंदू कल्चर में या बहुत सारे कल्चर्स में वी जस्ट लव टू बर्न द बॉडी ना
Yes.
मतलब ऐसा कुछ लोग ये दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ इवन आई वुड से प्रोग्रेसिव एंड काइंड ऑफ अ लिटिल बोल्ड डिसीजन फॉर द ग्रेटर ह्यूमैनिटी
Correct.
अदरवाइज दे विल से दैट अरे जला देना चाहिए या क्रिमेट करना है या जो भी है सो व्हेन वी क्रिएट सच अवेयरनेस eventually your body is going to go and it is going to help so many budding doctors and the researchers.
Yes.
And you're going to contribute so much more to the
Yes.
society. Yes.
Now, when you said about this, Hindu culture says you burn the body.
Correct.
But by burning body, again we are adding some pollution.
Right.
So when we donate, in a way we are helping society to reduce the pollution, or we are helping the environment.
Okay.
Now you will see some communities, they try to bury, but that is not just because they want to avoid pollution.
Right.
That is just because they want to follow their religion.
Right. Agree.
But ideal thing is, now you will ask me ki what are you doing after dissection of the body?
Correct.
What do you do with the waste parts
Right.
of the
Right.
body?
Right.
So we give it to body waste management system. We incinerate the parts.
Right.
Now whenever somebody donates his body, if the next of kin, he wants some part,
Okay.
so we cannot give them, after dissection we don't give back the body,
Right.
but we can give the hair of a person,
Oh.
so that they can perform the rituals on
Acha.
that.
Okay. So there is a provision like that.
Yes, so that we are not harming any emotions. We are trying to preserve the emotions.
And
of
the students are also taught that they are very respectful to the body.
Yes.
So that is one of the basic kind of, it has been now part of the curriculum where they
Yes.
are, what is it?
You are
called?
right.
Hannah.
You are very much right.
Yes.
That when the students take admission and before they start dissection, we take a cadaveric oath.
Correct.
So we obey 2 minutes silence. We pay respect to the cadaver. We warn students that the images should not be put on social media.
Agreed.
and you have to be thankful that this person has donated body,
Right.
and we are paying full respect to his donations, and we will do it sincerely, and we will not do any misuse of this knowledge or material for the same.
Correct.
So first and foremost thing is, anyone who is willing to donate his body, he should come to the Department of Anatomy. He will get the body donation form, on which he has to take the near kin, two relatives' signatures,
Okay.
their photographs and contact numbers. They
Okay.
should be provided.
Okay.
He will get a body donor card. He will get the hearse van nearby in the locality,
Okay.
which can be approached by his relatives,
Oh.
so that it is not a problem for them after the death of a person also.
So, as I understand, a lot of system and thought process has already gone into this body donation program.
Yes, yes. Some of the hospitals may be providing the van charges,
Okay.
but if you see all over Maharashtra, government doesn't provide the charges of the van, or the, donors will not get any funding for that.
Right.
So most of the relatives have a query, we are donating something for a noble cause.
Hmm.
So will we get something in return?
Hmm.
No, we don't have that facility with us. So that is totally voluntary, and you have to bear the expenses for the same.
For the transport of the
Transport also,
to the
yes.
Okay. All right.
Only thing is when the body is brought to the department, everybody will follow mourning for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Relatives will be awarded with the certificate
Okay.
of donation of the body.
Right.
So honor will be given,
Hmm.
but we don't give anything in monetary basis.
There
We
is
are not
nothing.
able
So
to
it's
give
completely a voluntary kind of a donation.
voluntary kind of donation.
Right. So maybe if at all, if government, somebody listens, if they could provide with some ambulance facility or an NGO which could have,
Yes.
which could make it even simpler, the relatives can be, they will get a little
That
more
is the
support
area
system.
which we have to work
Work on.
So we can find a funding
Funding.
for that.
Yes.
And if we provide the van charges, house van charges, or something like that,
Hmm.
then we will have more and more amount
People
of
coming, because
Yes.
sometimes people want to do few things, but there could be a financial stress, or maybe the facility was not available at night to shift
Yes.
the thing, or it could be also sometimes the relatives pressure that although the person wanted, but when it finally comes to actually doing it, people might not be so. So I hope that.
Very true, madam. You mentioned one thing. Suppose something happens in the night.
Right.
Now, when we give them the donor card, we have mentioned 9 to 4
Hmm.
if the death occurs,
Hmm.
to whom they should contact.
Correct.
If it is second and fourth Saturday
Hmm.
and after hours, then whom they should contact.
Okay. Hmm.
So nobody has to worry that what will happen. My death has happened at such a odd time.
Hmm.
So what should I do with my father?
Right.
So he should not be worried about that. Body will be stored in the cold storage
Okay.
of the hospital,
Okay.
and then it will be taken to anatomy department, and all the rituals will be performed. So the procedure is carried out very systematically.
नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. अगर इसके अलावा इफ़ यू विश टू से एनीथिंग, इट विल बी आवर प्लेजर टू हियर.
Yeah. In Maharashtra, first body donation was done by Pandurang Sridhar Apte in 1948. Okay, and I am a proud alumni of BJ Medical College, Pune,
How nice.
where this donation has occurred. Nowadays, lot of people are registering for donation,
Yes.
but that much bodies are not coming.
Coming.
Suppose if you say 400 people have registered, out of that we will get only 60 forms.
Okay.
Now there are so many reasons for this. The
Right.
patient may not be in station when he died, or maybe the relatives were not aware. So there are so many things. So we have to find out this, read in between the lines, that in spite of so much registrations, why we are getting less bodies.
Right.
And
So, as I said, that sometimes when it actually comes to, because finally I wanted to donate my body, I am gone, and then eventually it is on the family
Yes.
to respect or honor my feelings.
yes, so then our next of a kin or next relative,
Yes.
first line, second line, third line, it is their duty also to honor the decision of a,
And I'm sure the videos like this where the people understand it so that we are so honored and kind of वी आर सो थैंकफुल टू द सोसाइटी व्हेन दे टेक सच स्टेप्स. मैम एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन था जस्ट जाते जाते कि अगर बाई चांस डिजीज्ड है कोई पर्सन तो क्या हम उनकी भी बॉडीज़ लेते हैं, जैसे बाई चांस कोई मेलिग्नेंसी का पेशेंट है या जहाँ पे हमको पता है कि इवेंचुअली.
Yes. So the cases where you don't take the bodies. Nowadays, COVID, you know, we have suffered from COVID pandemic. So
Right.
COVID bodies we were not accepting.
ओके
Now you will ask me why we are not accepting in anatomy. Formalin is sterile.
करेक्ट.
Anatomy department is sterile, but while they do the procedure of preservation,
हाँ.
while we inject,
Right.
our anatomy servants, attendants,
Right,
teachers,
right.
they are exposed to these infections. So if the body has septicemia,
ओके.
mutilated body, unnatural cause of death,
ओके.
okay, all the HIV infection, we are not accepting
Not
these bodies.
Okay.
Another thing is overweight bodies,
Okay.
they may not be accepted.
Because dissection becomes very difficult.
And embalming also may not
Becomes-
occur properly.
Correct.
So the body will get waste.
So these are the constraints of
constraints there.
taking the.
Suppose somebody has filled up the form, but institute decides no, we cannot accept this body. So it is not mandatory on the institution that they should accept.
Okay.
There are certain conditions where we cannot accept the bodies.
Right.
Most of the bodies are accepted, but these conditions like septicemia, natural death, burns, or already they have donated so many organs. Now
Okay.
brain death
हाँ,
patients,
हाँ. True, true.
like you said in
Last
the last
time.
video.
Right, right,
So they
right.
have already donated so many organs. So that body is not of use to us.
Right.
But somebody donates body and they want to donate eyes, yes, that is
accepted.
permitted. We accept eye donation and skin donation, and after that we use the body for dissection.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am. It was such a pleasure talking to you. I'm sure our viewers will get so much insight and at least they will give that one thought that should I donate my body for the greater good. It was such a pleasure talking to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Let me thank you that you are interviewing such a your act is again enriching people with knowledge.
Yes.
So I am thankful to you as well
Thank you
for
so much,
taking
ma'am.
interview and giving me a chance.
Arey
and
ma'am, it was
opportunity.
absolute pleasure. Thank you
Thank
so much. Thanks a lot.